Fatty acids are crucial for life. They come in different types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fatty acids have no double bonds. Unsaturated fatty acids have one or more double bonds, found in foods like oils, fats, and more. Our bodies break them down for fuel. Essential for healthy cells and smooth body functions. From energy to cell membranes, they're vital. Understanding them is key to human biology. Think of glycerol as a connector with 3 attachment points. Each point can link to a fatty acid. Depending on how many fatty acids attach, we get different types of molecules. Monoglycerides have 1 fatty acid. Diglycerides have 2 fatty acids. Triglycerides have 3 fatty acids. These types determine how our bodies use fats. Triglycerides are the primary fat storage. The connection between glycerol and fatty acids happens through a process called condensation. Imagine 2 puzzle pieces locking together and releasing a tiny drop of water. This is similar to how glycerol and fatty acids combine. During condensation, the hydroxyl group, or O, of glycerol reacts with the carboxyl group, or CoO, of a fatty acid. This reaction forms a new bond and releases a water molecule, H2O. This process is crucial for building larger fat molecules. It's like connecting Lego blocks to create complex structures, with each connection representing a condensation reaction. The bond between glycerol and a fatty acid is called an ester bond. It acts like strong glue, formed between the carboxyl group in fatty acids and the hydroxyl group in glycerol. This creates monoglycerides, diglycerides, and triglycerides. Ester bonds are essential for biomolecules, including fats. They store energy efficiently and perform roles in the body.